Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious brown sugar baked chicken wings. And yeah, it's super simple to make. It does take some time to cook, but it's easy to make. And I served it up with some honey nut squash. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick what I'm going to be using to season the chicken. You could swap out for whatever hot sauce you prefer or soy sauce substitute, or even a sweetener substitute for the brown sugar. But this is a whole pack of wings that I got from the Kroger grocery store. And now I'm added my brown sugar. I added my hot Swiss. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. However, you already know if you want more or less spices, you can adjust it as needed. I'm also adding Montreal steak seasoning. I added a garlic seasoning, all from McCormick, some soy sauce, and then I got right up in there with my hands and mixed it up. I didn't even cut the tips off the wings. That was the type of day I was having, okay? The tips went straight with everybody. So you want to mix this up well and allow it to marinate. Probably do this before you go to work or the night before just to get the seasoning to soak in there. But this is what it looks like. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil and parchment paper. Y'all know I use both. And then I'm going to check it at about 50 minutes, once it makes its own juice and get nice and tender. This is what it looks like. Now, this chicken is cooked. It's cooked all the way through. I know you're looking like, Misha, it ain't done. It ain't done, but it's cooked. You could eat it just like this. I know it's pale, but it's cooked. These wings been in there for almost an hour. They're cooked. But we're not going to stop here. We're going to baste it with the juice, get it all over everywhere, and I'm going to pop it back in the oven uncovered. And every 20 minutes, I'm going to baste it, or every 15, whenever you think about it. And then this is what it looks like. Look how beautiful, golden, delicious these wings look. Okay? So simple, so easy. And I'm sure y'all got most of these ingredients in y'all house. So, okay, we're going to get into it. And this is how I served it up. This was just some honey nut squash that I found in the Sprouts supermarket. And I decided to serve it up with that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.